Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this superb Yamaha MT-125, registered the 6th of August 2022 on a 22 plate with only 1,059 miles and presented in Icon Blue. Benefiting from bar-end mirrors, tail tidy and R&G protectors, this one-owner example is in excellent condition and it's a credit to its loving former keeper. This is not just a facelift, it's a totally new and revamped model of the outgoing version. It produces more glorious torque, mid-range grunt and revs out at a whopping 11,000 revolutions per minute, giving you an impressive top end, with a full LCD easy-to-read screen with the added option to personalize your welcome when you turn the key. The handling is sweet, and gives you the big bike feel as it is closely styled to its impressive bigger brothers the MT07 and MT09. This beautiful example would leave us serviced where required, with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3 months warranty. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Jins bye.